everyone, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thank you for clicking on this video. So today I'm coming back again with another little day in the life vlog, because honestly I really enjoy doing these vlogs. And we don't have a lot planned today, but there is this place quite local to us that I've seen loads of people posting about on Instagram. It's basically this farm that sells flavoured milk or milkshakes, and I think it has a little vending machine or something, and you basically go in and choose whatever flavour milk you want, and then it also has special flavours every week. So we're gonna have a little venture to there, and then I'm not sure what we're gonna do after that. I just thought since we're going somewhere different, it'll be a fun little day to film, so I thought I'd take you guys along with us. Just pop down the street so Tyrone can go to the post office, and then we're gonna head there now. So we're here now. We've just got to sit and wait in a queue because there's quite a lot of people here, so it looks like they're just bringing out the milkshakes to everybody's car, rather than there's a little shed you normally go in with a vending machine. You usually go in there and then obviously pick your milkshake. So we're just waiting in the queue at the minute. I don't know how long it's going to take because it's quite busy. So yeah, I'll show you when we get them. I don't know what flavours we're going to go for. I think I might go for chocolate. What are you going to go for?
Vanilla. I don't like flavours.
Vanilla. Oh. I don't know. I might try vanilla. But we'll just see what they've got left as well, because I don't know if they'll have run out of any flavours. So I'll update you when we've got them. So 20 minutes later and we're still sat here. There's kind of like a queuing system in the car park, so we're just sat basically. But the view out my window is nice, which is great. And then we're literally just sat in this queue. Up there is where the little shed is that you normally go into and go to the little vendor machine. Forgot to zoom it back out. So we're still waiting. Ooh, are we moving?
Yeah.
No, the other queue's moving. Not moving.
It's not us.
Oh yes, we're moving. So, an hour later, or over an hour, finally got my milk, and I've just drove back because I'm dropping some off at my mum's as well, because we got her some, and my dad. Yeah, but I've waited so I can try mine on camera for yous. So I got chocolate and vanilla. These are absolutely huge. Oh my god. Thumbnail. I'm gonna try the vanilla one first. Oh, it's just gone everywhere. Oh, well, that's a good start. I've just spilt it all down myself. Oh my god. That is good. Oh, thank you. We're gonna have to go back and get some more. Well, the vanilla is a thumbs up from me. Now for the chocolate one. I don't know. I hate to say it, but I don't think I really like the chocolate. The vanilla is so much better. Yeah, not too keen on the chocolate, but the vanilla, oh my god, is amazing. Which is really gutting because that's the special flavour of the week. They basically change the flavour every week and have a special flavour. Can mummy not talk? You want to say something? Yeah. But yeah, this week's flavour, the special one, was vanilla, so they won't have it next week or any other time unless they bring it back, but it's really nice.
20 minutes later.
You're trying to do that as quiet as possible. So it's a little bit late. Are you for real? Oh, crazy. So it's a little bit later on now. So it's a bit later on now, and I'm just gonna quickly head to B&Q to get the paint for the front porchway project thing. If you follow me home on Instagram, you'll see that I started painting an IKEA unit, and yeah, and it's basically all for the same project. So I'm gonna go get the paint for that, so hopefully I can get a start on it this week, fingers crossed. So yeah, we're gonna head there now. Now you can blow it. So we're trying to choose brackets as well that's gonna go on the shelving in the front porch too. I think I want black ones, like those ones there. I really like these ones. So we got back a good few hours ago now after we went to B&Q. Honestly, just sat scrolling through TikTok and watching a bit of TV and tidy the house a little bit. I still need to do the kitchen. I also did pick up the tin of paint for the front porch. I'm hoping I picked the right colour, because if anyone's used this Valspar before, because you can literally get any colour that you want mixed, even a completely custom colour, which is great. But the last time I was there, I got 4 sample pots and couldn't remember which one it was. And when I got to B&Q, they hadn't saved the names on my account with them, so I think this was the right one looking at the pictures off the computer when we were there, but I'm just praying that it is. This really isn't the best lighting to try and be showing you this, but the colour I got is basically this one here. Doesn't look that great on camera, but in real life, in natural daylight, it looks really nice, so fingers crossed. Hopefully this will match the colour that I got in the big paint pot. What are you doing? Are you sitting on the step? Do you want to go sleep time? Go sleeps? No, running away. This little guy is hyper. I'm just going to end this vlog here. It's Mother's Day tomorrow, so not exactly sure what we're going to do. But yeah, I had a really nice day today. It was just nice and chilled, and waiting for the milk took up a bit of time as well. Definitely going to be going back there and hopefully trying like a different flavour or something, because when you get the bottles you just wash them out and they're reusable, so then when you go back, I think it's like £2 you pay to basically refill the bottle, which is obviously great because then it's great for the environment. You're just reusing the same bottle. So I really hope you enjoyed this little vlog. Let me know if you're in the northeast sort of area, if you have tried going to that Oxclose farm. But if you tried it, let me know which is your favourite flavour in the comments, or even if you haven't tried it, which flavour would you go for? So thank you so much for watching this video. Please don't forget to hit the like button and also click the subscribe button if you aren't already subscribed, and I will see you all in my next video.